Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 27th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar, I got my Fibonacci retracement on only the last impulsive move up because when the market's trending, every pullback is only a pullback to the last move up. So anyways, we have a counter trend move, we have a crescent to that counter trend move, we have another counter trend move, we have three waves down, we have a Fibonacci bounce, and we have an engulfing move to the upside. Definitely a pretty decent little entry right there. Now, I would definitely prefer to see this go down like this and make a crescent to this whole move up, not just a crescent to this last wave up, and that would give me a much, much clearer entry to go long. Whether or not it's going to do that, it definitely may not. The trend is up on every single higher time frame. If the market is going to continue to trend, it's probably going to continue to make crescents to just the last wave up, not the whole series of waves. So definitely for me personally, I'm waiting for either more three-way pullbacks, more Fibonacci bounces to go long, or potentially if you're already long, then you're waiting for an exit. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right here, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short when every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.